Have you ever wondered what sets an electronic voting machine apart from the conventional system of voting? The answer lies in its sophisticated yet user-friendly design. An electronic voting machine, or EVM for short, is a two-part system composed of a control unit and a balloting unit. These two units are seamlessly connected via a 5-meter cable, allowing the control unit to remain with the presiding officer, while the balloting unit is conveniently located inside the voting compartment. When a voter is ready to cast their vote, the polling officer initiates the process by pressing the ballot button on the control unit. This action releases the ballot, enabling the voter to cast their vote by simply pressing the candidate button on the balloting unit. The button corresponds with the candidate and symbol of their choice, making the voting process as straightforward as possible. Interestingly, the EVMs are the result of a collaborative effort between the Election Commission and two public sector undertakings, namely Bharat Electronics Limited, Bangalore, and the Electronic Corporation of India Limited, Hyderabad. One of the key advantages of EVMs is that they do not rely on electricity. Instead, they operate on a 7.5-volt alkaline power pack, which is a common feature even in areas with no electricity connections. EVMs are designed to accommodate a large number of votes, with newer models capable of recording up to 2,000 votes. The adaptability of EVMs extends to the number of candidates they can cater to as well. A single EVM can cater to a maximum of 64 candidates, including nota. Despite their sophisticated technology, EVMs are not excessively expensive, with costs per unit ranging from approximately 5,500 rupees to 8,670 rupees. Even with a significant illiterate population, EVMs pose no challenge. The simple design and straightforward voting process make it easy for all voters, regardless of their literacy levels. In fact, rural and illiterate people have welcomed the use of EVMs. EVMs also allow for the mixing of votes during counting, similar to the conventional system using ballot boxes. This is done using a device called a Totalizer, which can accommodate up to 14 control units at a time for vote counting without revealing the candidate. Output. In summary, electronic voting machines offer a simple, reliable, and efficient method of voting. They are designed to be user-friendly, adaptable, and cost-effective, making them an excellent choice for modern voting systems.